Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase app. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Coinbase app on your device. This is your Coinbase account homepage. You can watch the cryptocurrencies here. Also, add in a payment method to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. On the Portfolio tab, you can view your balance and the transactions that you have made. Next, on the Trade tab, you can view the crypto to trade. Finally, on the Pay tab, you can send and receive payments. And that's how you use Coinbase app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.